Hi, I'm Kate and this is a quick review of the rechargeable nose and ear hair trimmer. So this is the box it arrives in and it shows you on the back all of the accessories you get inside. So we have one for the nose, one for the body, one for the eyebrow, and then you have the main device. So when you open it up, this is how it looks inside. The main device already has the nose trimmer on it and it comes with a little cap. So I'm just going to switch it on so you can hear how loud it is. I think it's pretty quiet and I do like that it has a good grip. So this is how noisy it is, it's pretty quiet. And this is how the nose trimmer looks up close. I'm very happy with the quality of it. So then the different accessories, this is the charging cable. Then you've also got this one, this is for the eyebrow trimmer, and it also comes with a little brush. Then you've got one for the body. So this one's pretty versatile. That's how the blade looks. Again, nice strong quality. So this is the little comb that goes on the eyebrow trimmer. It's very easy to install. It also comes with a stand and you can put all of the accessories on this, keep them nice and tidy. There's even a place for the brush. And then this is the little cleaning brush here. So you get quite a lot in the box, and this is how you change the heads. So it's very easy. You just slide off one and then you click the other into place. You do need to click it in nice and strong, and then it's super secure. So overall, super happy with this trimmer and I would definitely recommend it.